Hi everyone, welcome to Graphic Solution Tricks channel. Today we will show you how to use the media matte visual effect in Camtasia. First, open Camtasia, import a video. If you want to add this video behind any shape or text, you can use the media matte effect. First, go to Annotation tab and select a circle shape. Then drag it into the timeline. Adjust it as desired. Then go to the Visual Effect tab. Find the Media Matte effect. Drag and drop the Media Matte effect onto the shape. And here you can see our video is now behind the shape. Then select these two layers and press Ctrl G to group it. Now you can move it whenever you want. You can also do the same things for text. That's it. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe our Graphic Solution Tricks channel. And click the bell icon for more updates.